Hello, citizens of Walker's World. Today we'll be talking about parametric equations. You don't know what parametric equations are? Well, I'm going to teach you. Alright, let's say we start off with just a simple example. What if we got 5 plus 4t and 21 plus 2t? Well, this can be simplified down to x equals 5 plus 4t and y is 21 plus 2t. Now that's all great, right? But what does this actually mean? I'm so glad you asked. Well, t is time. That time will vary depending on the question. Sometimes it's minutes, sometimes it's hours, depending on whatever the question is. So t is time. Yes, there can be negative time. We'll get into that later. But to figure out where you are starting, where t is 0, the coordinate is going to be these numbers. And you can obviously prove it. See? You got 5 plus 4. Bam! This is your starting place, alright? So if it's a bug or whatever your question is asking for, okay? Simple. But now how do you find the equation of the line it's going on? Because as time progresses, the line will just keep going further and further and further. But how do you find that equation? I'm glad you asked. Since we know this is y, and this is y, and this is x, every time t increases, let's just say t seconds, for every 1 second, it will go up 2 for y and over 4 for x, meaning that's a simple slope of 1/2. So now that we know the slope, we can just plug that into this. Go boom, boom. And this will be your equation you got from this. Now let's give you a real life problem you might see on your daily tests or finals or something like that. You got a bug. Beautiful bug. He's walking on a parametric equation of 25 plus 5t and 32 plus 3t. If t is hours, where will he be at A, 2 hours, B, 2 hours before starting, and C, in 10 hours. Sorry. These are all easily answered. First, A. All you have to do is plug in the 2 hours or whatever hours of times on the test, plug that into t, giving you x is going to equal 25 plus 5, then it's going to equal 32 plus 32. You add that up, you're going to get 35. Boom! This is where the bug is. And 2 hours, check. Got a problem A done. What about problem B? Well, it says 2 hours before starting. That's basically negative time. So you're going to put in a negative 2 for this. So, for example, 25 plus 5, 2. So you're going to get 15. Voila. This is where it was 2 hours before starting his journey. It sounds a little weird, but this is 2 hours before he reaches the starting point, which, as we determined, is here, 25, 32. And now, C is just basically the same thing as A. For C, you're just going to do 5 times 10 plus 10. And that's where the bug will be in 10 hours. And this is basically all you need to know for parametric equations. Now, it will get harder in the future, but for now, this is basically what you're going to be seeing on a test. Thank you, And citizens of Walker World, for watching my video. Good luck on your finals. And as always, have fun with numbers.